Ayesha Curry, wife of Golden State Warrior basketball player Steph Curry.
The undefeated.
Yes.
Yes.
They're undefeated.
Well, not only are people buzzing about that, but they're also buzzing this weekend after she sparked a Twitter debate on the state of popular fashion. She tweeted, "Just looking at the latest fashion trends, I'll take classy over trendy any day of the week." So, a lot of you guys are applauding, but this got people kind of upset.
Yeah.
So, Jeannie, you're our resident fashion expert.
Yes.
What do you think she meant by this? And do you think it's offensive at all?
First of all, I'm going to tell you right now, classy is probably the smartest style choice every woman can make when it comes to deciding what to wear.
Classic.
Hands down. Because here's why. Number one, classy looks good on everybody.
It does.
Number two, classy looks gets you the man with the money. And classy, number three, like, when you go with trendy, you end up with a closet full of wedge sneakers and flower crowns that what are you going to do with next year and the year after? A pencil dress will always stay in style. A full, amazing...
A classic black dress.
Cashmere.
Like Audrey Hepburn. I'd wear her clothes now.
Yeah, absolutely. The dress that she wore, that Givenchy designed for her on the cover of Breakfast at Tiffany's, you guys, that is going to be a staple forever.
Yes.
So, Lonnie, I have to ask you, why do you think people were offended?
Well, some people took offense to it because I think they felt like they were being personally attacked. And I think that's why people were like, okay, so what do you do when someone makes a statement like that? People look for old pictures of her.
Oh, no.
And we found one picture, but I don't think that it makes her look too much. I mean, you know, it's like it shows
classy.
her
classy.
knees. You know, people were kind of like, okay, now that you got your husband and, you know, you got your baby, now you want everybody to cover up their goods. You know what I mean? Or you want everybody in a turtleneck. And I think that's why you wore a turtleneck today, Munchkin.
No! My skirt is still very short. But I just don't see what was offensive about this.
neither.
It's her personal opinion about what she wants to wear. If she want to wear clothing up to here and downtown, that's up to her. I don't get what's the problem.
I think that she was saying, you know, it was funny because the tweet was like, cover up your goods. And I think they felt like she was passing judgment. The question I want to know is, what picture did she see for her to make that type of tweet? I mean, who did she look at?
She was looking,
you know?
she was looking
At
at a
Style
magazine. She was looking at Style magazine. She was seeing what's hot now.
Okay.
But remember, all women go through a style
transformation,
roller coaster.
yeah.
Right.
Sometimes you feel like being really trendy because you want to catch back up into things and wear something that's hot that hits you. And sometimes you just want to stay classy. Sometimes you want to be casual. Sometimes you want to be more astute.
Yeah.
Like, there's different versions, and that's okay for her to say because right now she's feeling classy.
And I think people nowadays are just so doggone sensitive. They took the tweet way too
100%.
personally. She's not talking about you. She's just talking about her preference.
I say you should dress for your body, okay? Some people don't dress for their body.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
I think the number one rule to back up what Lonnie is saying, it's never about size, it's about shape. How do you shape
your body? It's about size, too. Some of y'all out there know what I'm talking about.
No, it's about how you shape your...
I just feel like...
What? Excuse me. I keep looking at myself. I look like the Queen of Sheba. This is way too much.
I like it. I love this look.
I told y'all.
Lonnie, you look great.
I just feel like I want to do...
No, Lonnie,
in
you look
Africa,
great.
this is what we do.
Lonnie, I think you look great.
No,
This is Lonnie's sense of humor because she said that I look like the mechanic woman today.
Look, she looked like a mechanic. It's cute.
But no, I like your jokes.
And
I will say this, though, Lonnie, and I'm going to say this because I really love you. When you compliment her, she won't accept it. She'll shoot it down. And so, really, round of applause, be honest, or she'll kick you out of our show. How many of you guys like the way Lonnie looks? No, this is the truth. You look beautiful.
I appreciate that, but this is way too...
Lonnie!
Okay.
It's something different, Lonnie.
So I'm just encouraging you, but I like it. We're your real friends. We're your real friends. And
We
would
tell
when we
you.
tell you you look beautiful
If you look
today,
crazy, I'd tell you
we
you
love
look
it.
I know Ayesha get mad because I'm showing a little boobage, though.
She didn't mean that.
Watch out.
She didn't mean that.
Well, I have to be honest. If every woman had to pick, being called classy or not, you would hope to be called classy, no?
Yeah.